Hi, what is going on, guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to review inheritance and polymorphism. So we've learned quite a lot about inheritance and polymorphism, um, but let's review that. So a Java can inherit fields and methods from another class. Each Java class requires its own file, but only one class in a Java package needs a main method. Child classes inherit the parent constructor by default, but it's possible to modify the constructor using the super or override it completely. You can use protected and final keywords to control child class access to parent class members. Now, Java's object-oriented principle of polymorphism means that you can use a child class object like a member of its parent class, but also give it its own traits. You can override parent class methods in the child class, ideally using the override keyword. Next, it's possible to use objects of different classes that share a parent class together in an array or array list. So we have a bunch of code here. So I'm gonna quickly go over it, or not really go over it. I'm just going to show you guys. If you want to pause the video, copy down this code, go ahead and work with it for free, of course, in your IDE. Go ahead, but yeah, that's gonna end the inheritance and polymorphism, and then in the next video we'll be doing the quiz. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in the next one.